Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe 18T Truth or Bare palette. This is the palette. It's an 18 pan eyeshadow palette, and I just recently did another video using the Morphe 18A Blew You Away palette, so it's the same kind of layout. It's just all blue toned eyeshadows. You guys can go check that out if you are interested. I think this is like such a gorgeous palette, and we're gonna create like a really nice neutral toned eyeshadow look today. So let's get started. So I just wanted to do a quick close-up of the palette so you guys can actually see it. There is like a big mirror on the top half of the palette. This is the whole palette. Really pretty colors. Okay, lids are already primed. We're gonna start out in the shade Full Disclosure, which is this matte shade right here, and I'm just placing this all across the crease as well as to the outer corner. Now I'm going to add some of the shade Honestly, which is just like a neutral brown shade. I'm just going to place this on the outer corners as well as to the inner corners, because today I'm going to go for like a more blended out look with darker shadow on the inner and outer corners and like a little bit of shimmer on the lid. So now I'm going to go into the shade Spill It, which is a deeper matte brown, and I'm going to use this on like a really stiff buffer brush, and I'm just placing this on the outer corner and blending that in. And don't worry too much about it, we're going to go in with a blending brush afterwards to really make it look very soft. Also just going to place this on the inner corners, and like I said, going in with a blending brush and just really blending this shade out. So these shadows, like any other Morphe shadow, blends out really easily. So now for the middle part of the crease here, I'm going to go into this matte burgundy-ish kind of color, and I'm going to place this all the way across. It'll kind of just add a little bit more color to the eye rather than it being just all neutrals. And now I'm going to go into the matte shade Tell All, and it's just a really deep matte brown, and I'm just going to place this on the outer and inner corners. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back into the shade Spill It on a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to place this on the outer and inner part of the lower lash line, and then for the middle of the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in this shade and place that on the center. So kind of match the same color pattern that we have on the lid. Now before we add the shimmer, I'm going to go in with my concealer and place this on the center of the lids where we really haven't added any eyeshadow yet. I'm going to just apply this concealer up to the crease. I'm going to go into the shade Expose, which is this really gorgeous shimmer, and I'm of course using a flat eyeshadow brush just so that we get the best pigmentation, and I'm just going to tap this right over the concealer. I'm going to go back into the shade Honestly, which is that lighter matte brown shade, and I'm just going to blend the edge so that we don't have any of these harsh lines. And I'm going to go into the shade Unveiled, which is this gorgeous light shimmery color, and I'm just using a really small eyeshadow brush and placing this. So for lashes today, I'm using the Ardell Mink lashes. I'm just going to apply these and then add some mascara to finish up the eyes. For my highlighter today, I'm going to go into the Becca Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in the shade Rose Quartz, and I'm just going to apply this everywhere I would normally highlight. So for my lip liner today, I'm going to use the Morphe lip liner, and this one is in the shade Crush, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. So over top of this, I'm going to make this lip color a little lighter by applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is also in the shade Crush, and I'm just going to place this over top, especially towards the center of my lips. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I really like this palette. I think that it's really wearable, and you can definitely create a lot of different looks with it, and it's also pretty affordable. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. You guys can also find me on Instagram at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So be sure to go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.